Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. And for breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Tada! This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Golden Arrows 1. My brother, how's it?
Ngikrend Ngobo.
Sharp, thanks man. We won njani game namhlanje?
Well, ngicabanga ukuthi game it was not bad. Comparing to igame ebesinayo eMbombela. I was there eMbombela and namhlanje ngila and ngolwesithathu abafuni ngizobe ngila, Saturday ngizobe ngila. Because sometimes uma ubuilder awukwazi ukuthi wakha usasuka ku foundation ufuna ukuya phezulu. No. And I always believe ukuthi mina i-team mayisizokwenza kahle kumele idliwe ekuqaleni masaqala so that sibe able ukubona ukuthi kusakhona la safa silungise khona because lento yokuthi njalo mesakha sifuna ukuthi sheshe siwine while sisa builder it's a problem. Mina I'm happy. What I want ukuthi ama fans must give a coach a chance. Singa interfere, like for example khona abanye bebuza ukuthi ukuphi number 77 ulimelile mesembombela uSilva ulimelile esembombela and if you compare uSilva no Ikadaro, they are playing different. uSilva always run in spaces. Ikadaro is a holding man, so we must understand and give a coach a chance to build what he's trying to build. Even though kusingafila sifuna ufika khona, but let's give him a chance. Because we've been patient all these years. Let's continue to be patient so that sizokwazi ithole into esifunayo. And I see ukuthi we are going to get what we want. It's just unfortunate that we lost today in a very important game. But I think it's important that we lose so that we are able to go back and rectify the mistakes.
No, somehow, but
Thank you very much, my brother. Sure.